Hey guys, welcome back to my channel English with Luck. I am Lakhvinder, your tutor come friend. You can say that, and you are watching my channel English with Luck. Here I am coming with a latest video about IELTS writing task 2. We mainly faced many problems in IELTS writing because we don't know the certain structure behind the particular task. Actually, the main structure behind every task is same. The main thing is you have to utilize that structure in the writing task to gain the bands. And if you use this structure in your writing, you will definitely get bands because you will know the certain idea or the certain pattern which you can utilize in your writing tasks. So my first thing is regarding introduction. The structure of the introduction will be no intro line. Don't give intro line in front of your writing task introduction, because while giving introduction you have to think a lot. Actually थानू बहुत ज़्यादा सोचना पैना, and sometimes it will be irrelevant because we never know, right, it is related to the task or not. It will decrease your task response actually. Then the second thing you can do while writing a introduction, that is restate the information into your own word, like change the tense or convert it to passive form. That is the best thing you can do. Third is give the information what you are going to do in next paragraph, that is thesis line, because you have to mention your clear picture of your writing task in thesis line. The body paragraphs pattern will be the main point, explanation, explain, example plus result. What I mean by this is, firstly you have to do write the main point. The what when we say that, like, schools schools are beneficial for student in the early age, right? The first thing may be the for personal development, right? And second thing, how it can be beneficial for their personal development, like you have to explain the reason why you think that. Third is example, and fourth is result, what is the result of that particular thing. So this can be your main pattern of body paragraphs BP1 and BP2. The last thing is conclusion. We faced many problems in conclusion as well, very know that, because we don't know what can be right in the conclusion, right? So the main structure will be cover both the point which you wrote in body paragraph, because what you wrote in BP1 and BP2 is your conclusion. We mainly write those things in conclusion so that we can cover up both the points BP1 and BP2 with introduction. So this can be the best thing. Restate the information which you wrote in introduction, which, like thesis line, when you gave your opinion in the introduction, then you have to restate that in the another word, like use synonyms while writing a conclusion. Thank you for watching, guys.